Tonight, you don't need to try harder to sleep. In fact, trying is often the reason it isn't working. If your mind feels busy the moment you lie down, or your body feels tired but your thoughts won't slow, this is very common. And we're going to fix that tonight. When you can't fall asleep, it's usually not because something is wrong with you. It's because your brain is still in day mode. It's alert, thinking, solving, replaying, even worrying perhaps. Maybe now, even worrying about not being able to get to sleep easily. Sleep doesn't come from effort. It comes from allowing your mind and body to shift into a quieter state. So instead of trying to force sleep, it's about removing the things that keep you awake and guiding your mind into something softer and more natural. You can close your eyes if that feels comfortable, or just soften your focus. Take a small breath in through your nose and gently out through your mouth. Again, slow inhale and a longer, softer exhale. There's nothing you need to solve right now. Nothing you need to finish because the day is done. If thoughts come up, that's okay. You don't need to stop them. Just let them pass, like background noise. Let them go. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice your shoulders. Let them drop slightly. Let your jaw relax. Let your forehead smooth. It's not about trying to sleep. It's about allowing your body to rest. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breathing. In and out. Nothing else to do. And when you stay here, softly focused on your breath and on your body, letting go, sleep will come naturally. And if it doesn't straight away, let that be okay too, because you're resting. And that's a good thing. That's enough for now. And if you want, you can let this continue in the background. Your breathing, your body letting go. I have longer sessions designed to stay with you through the first 3 hours of the night. So if you wake up A soothing background sound is still here, and you drift off again naturally. So for now, let yourself rest.